4-year-old Optibike R15 with 6,132 miles on it. It was new in January 2017, so just about 4 years old. So what does this bike look like after 4 years and 6,000 miles? The paint, still in great condition, a lot of luster on that. This bike was used quite often, a weekly level. And you can see it's all in great shape, the running components and everything. We checked the wheels are still running true. And we checked the battery, and the battery is about 92% of the original capacity after 4 years and 6,000 miles. So it's doing really well. Bike's got a lot of miles left in it. Let's look at the chain, definitely worn out and dirty. And I think he's changed the chain once, about 2,500 miles, and also did a roll-off oil change, and also changed the brake pads about once. So that's been the maintenance on this bike in 6,000 miles. Chain, sprockets, brake pads. I think he's also, this isn't the original rear tire. Still in good shape though. It is a Schwalbe replacement. And let's see the front tire. This is the original tire, and it's still running in good shape. It's got the Fox 36 forks. The shaft still look in good shape. Front fender in good shape. Headlight. Paint's good on the headlight. Everything's looking good on this bike. Again, the paint is really good. Motor and everything. You can see the grips have some wear on them from those miles. So 6,000 miles, looks like rear tire, chain and sprockets, and some brake pads. And the battery's still at 92%. So this bike's got definitely a lot of miles left in it.